Alright, on the Unit 7B benchmark exam review, going over the backside, problem number 10 says, which of the following graphs represents a function with solutions of x equals -3 and x equals -2? Now the word solutions, also known as the roots of a function, also known as the zeros of a function. Okay, so it's asking you, where does the graph cross the x-axis at -3 and at x equals 2? So if you look at the first one in A, here the graph crosses at -2, and we wanted x to cross at +2, so A is not the correct answer. In B, we have a solution here of x equals -3 and x equals +2, so B is the correct solution. In problem number 11, it says, what are the solutions of the following functions? So if it's asking for the solutions, just like on the last problem that we did, solutions also means the roots or the zeros. It can also mean the x-intercepts. Remember, the x-intercepts is where the graph crosses the x-axis, so I'm looking at the line y equals 0, which is this line here. So I'm looking, where does that parabola cross that line? So it crosses at this point here, where x equals -3, and it crosses at this point here, which is x equals 6. So my two solutions are -3 and +6. Problem number 12 says, what points represent the zeros of this function? So again, here's that key word, zeros. Also means the solutions. So if I look at this function x squared plus 5x minus 36, the first thing I want to do is I want to factor. So I want to find two numbers that multiply to -36, and those same two numbers add to +5. Well, if I'm multiplying to a negative, adding to a positive, that means one positive, one negative, with my bigger number being positive. So I have -136, -218, -312, -49, and this is my combination here. So this factors to x minus 4 multiplied with x plus 9. And if we set this equal to 0, because we're trying to find the solutions for x, we find that x equals +4 and -9. So +4 would be point C, -9 would be point A. So my two solutions here are A and C.